ICY introduces ToughArmor MB720M2K full metal 4-bay for M.2 NVMe SSDs. Introducing the ToughArmor MB720M2K, the world's first quad-drive ruggedized M.2 NVMe SSD removable enclosure. M.2 NVMe SSDs no longer requires to be installed onto a motherboard or a riser card with a tiny screw and can now be installed and accessed from the front of your computer without any tools. The ToughArmor MB720M2K comes with patent-pending toolless M.2 drive installation design, which will alleviate the pain that many user experiences when installing M.2 drives and offer easy drive maintenance and system upgrading. The ToughArmor MB720M2K supports up to 4x M.2 NVMe SSD with blazing fast PX4 transfer speed up to 32 gigabits per second per channel via mini SAS HD, SFF 8643. It also accepts all standard M.2 drives lengths from 30mm to 110mm, 2230, 2242, 2260, 2280, 22110. In addition, while working together with numbers of ventilation holes around the enclosure, each drive tray is equipped with a high-efficiency aluminum heatsink to ensure all the M.2 NVMe SSDs remain within optimal temperatures even when it is under full load. Ultimately, your drives will be well protected within this full metal drive enclosure and a barrel key lock to prevent any unauthorized physical access. M.2 NVMe SSD drives are most often inserted at a 45-degree angle then screwed down onto the motherboard. When using ToughArmor MB720M2K, the user can simply place M.2 SSD in the drive tray, adjust the drive locker to the correct length per M.2 drive type, and push down the drive to lock in place. The whole process will only take users less than 5 seconds to complete, avoiding the hassle of dealing with tiny easy-to-lose screws while bringing a more efficient and innovative way in installing M.2 drives. Full drive length support. This innovative adjustable M.2 locker slider accommodates all standard M.2 NVMe SSD drive lengths including 2230, 30mm, 2242, 42mm, 2260, 60mm, and 22110, 110mm, making this drive tray universal to all drive lengths and future-proofing the extra-long M.2 drive 22110, 110mm. ME grounding technology. Grounding your M.2 is very important through many swaps, to ensure your data and drive are always safe. Without grounding, when swapping drives, there is a high possibility that there may be static shocks, possibly damaging the data on the drive. With our innovative M.2 drive installation design, the adjustable M.2 locker acts as a ground, and once the M.2 locker clips into the SSD screw hole, the drive will be grounded by the tray and the housing of the enclosure. The grounded connector design protects your drive from static electrical surge, ensuring your data is always safe during drive swapping. Superior performance. To fully use the speeds of M.2 SSD, each drive uses its own MEMS HD, SFF 8643, connector, maximizing the M.2 SSD's potential transfer bandwidth rate of 32 gigabits per second in each drive, which is over 5 times faster than previous SATA standard, making it an ideal solution for data-intensive applications such as in real-time servers, high-performance PCs, deep learning machines and 4K/8K/3D media workstations. ToughArmor protection. Ensuring the product can be relied upon for many years after its deployment, the ToughArmor MB720M2K is capable of holding up in the harshest environments, with a rugged heavy-duty metal construction throughout the entire device. The ToughArmor MB720M2K full metal design is perfect for industrial devices that may require flammability rating, since all metal already complies with flammability requirements. Because of the high build quality, it can be used in various enterprise systems including military and law enforcement deployment, along with manufacturing conditions such as embedded control and factory automation systems.